Hi there everyone, welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Counting Stars as recorded by One Republic. Now just as a heads up, this song has been transposed to a lower key to work with the common chords on the ukulele, and it is also available in 2 keys for GCEA ukulele. In this video, first of all, I'll talk about the chords we need to play the song on GCEA ukulele in the keys of A minor and D minor. Then we'll talk about the chords you need to play the song on baritone DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk about strumming. If you'd like to support the work on this channel, there are 3 things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to this channel and its sister channel, so the UkePlayAlongs channel on YouTube and the UkeStuff channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. The first chord you need is the A minor chord. Then you'll need the C chord. Then you'll need the G chord. Then you'll need the F chord. And then you'll have 1 D minor in the song. And to do that, you just play your F chord plus another finger. And those are the 5 chords you need to play Counting Stars on GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. Now let's talk about the song in D minor. The original song is actually in C sharp minor. So if you take that up a half step, you get to D minor. This is the closest key that's easy to play on soprano, concert, tenor, GCEA ukulele. I think a lot of guitar players that would play would actually capo up until a better key. So here are the 5 chords you need to play the song in D minor. First is the D minor chord. Then lift 1 finger for the F chord. Then you'll need the C chord. Then you'll need the B flat chord. Now, this is not a hard chord. Yes, you can do it, but it is difficult for beginners. So here's what we're going to do. You're going to take your first finger and put it right above the metal first fret and pull against the fretboard this way, like you're pulling against it, because most of your ukulele holding is coming from this arm, all right? Then this finger goes there and you pull against the fretboard as if you're going to launch something off of it. Add your thumb for some support, and that should give you most of the sound you need there. It's not pinching, it's pulling with a little support, then add 2 fingers. And the final chord here in the key of D minor is G minor. First finger goes on the first string, first fret. Second finger goes on the third string, second fret, and the ring finger or third finger goes on the second string, third fret. And that's the G minor chord. And that'll only happen once in the song. All right, now that we've talked about counting stars in both A minor and D minor on GCEA soprano, concert, tenor ukulele, let's talk about it on baritone DGBE ukulele. All right, on baritone, you're going to need the A minor chord, then the C chord. Just lift 1 finger off, then the G chord, and then the F chord. It's the hardest chord here, but yes, you can do it. Take the first finger, put it right above the metal first fret on strings 1 and 2. You're going to pull against the fretboard because you're holding your ukulele securely with your strumming arm, because the strumming comes from the wrist, not the arm. So you're holding it securely here. Pull against the fretboard this way and add your thumb for some light support. That's going to give you most of the sound that you need without pinching. It's mostly pull with a little bit of extra support from the thumb, then add 2 fingers. And that's the F chord. And then finally we have the D minor chord. And those are the 5 chords to play Counting Stars on baritone DGBE ukulele. Now let's talk about strumming. Now as we come to strumming, first and foremost, there was no ukulele used in the original version of this song, so there's not one single right answer. So therefore, as long as you're following the 3 rules of strumming, first of all, play the right chord at the right time. Second, keep a steady beat. And third, make sure that whatever you are playing matches the style of the music, then you're good. Now I do have some suggestions here for you that you can follow if you need a suggestion, but otherwise allow those 3 rules of strumming to really help you. All right, now it's the same basic 4 chords through the whole song. There's one situation where there's a 5th chord added for 1 chord. Otherwise it just repeats the whole song. And here's what I would do. At the beginning, where it's picking, what I would do on GCEA ukulele is I would pick string 3, string 2, and then pick like this strings 4, 2, and 1. It would sound like this. So I'm going 3, 2, pick, 3, 2, pick with fingers 1, 2, and 3. Thumb goes on the 4th string. First finger goes on the 2nd string. Ring finger goes on the 1st string. Again, it would sound like this. 3, 2, pick, 3, 2, pick, change, 3, 2, pick, 3, 2, pick, change to the G, 3, 2, pick, 3, 2, pick, and then to the F, 3, 2, pick, 3, 2, pick. Now, let me go to re-entrant GCEA ukulele, which has a low G instead of a high G, just so you can hear that as well. On re-entrant ukulele or baritone DGBE ukulele, what I think I would do is I would play string 4, string 3, and then strings 1 and 2 with fingers 1 and 2. Finger 1 actually plays the 2nd string, the middle finger plays the 1st string. It would sound like this. And then you go right back into that sequence. So that gets you through the intro. What about the rest of the song? Well, really there's 2 different things I would try doing. First one, just be playing down strums through most of it. That's not going to let you down, going down, 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 down. The other ideas that I play with would be going down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, like that. But again, I'm just going down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. And my left hand has to move just so I'm in time with the downbeat of the next chord, and you always want to hit that. The other one that I've thought about is going down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Either one of those will work really well for you. So with those chords and that strumming, that's all you need to do to be successful on Counting Stars as recorded by One Republic. Thanks so much for joining for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.